Hey everybody, this is an unboxing video of my latest Amazon purchase. This is the HDMI video capture card. Now what you use this for, I really shouldn't say. I can tell you what I'm trying to use it for is I'm going to try and hook up my old Sony PlayStation 2 to my computer so I can record my gameplay on my computer. So I'm sure there's other purposes for this card, but that's what I'm going to be doing with it. As with all my purchases, I buy this item, bought it with my own money. I get nothing for doing these videos, but I like doing unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there who's thinking about buying the same item. Just wants to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, etc. So you get an instruction manual. It's not really a manual, it's just a little 3-page fold out. And then the capture card, as well as an extension cable. So capture card's got one end that's standard USB, and then it's got another end that's going to have an HDMI in. Pretty simple, made in China. And what you can do with this is this basically just gives you an extension piece, so I can connect this into it. And that way you're not running into USB ports on your computer with this. You can use this and it's a lot thinner. But anyway, that's a quick unboxing video. Hope it helps.